Log in to MyFP and navigate to Vision 360 Cost Accounts. Locate the cost account that is no longer needed and click the X in the corner of the cost account tile. A message will appear on screen advising that performing this action will clear the cost account and deassign all operators. If this cost account is no longer needed, confirm by clicking Yes. Please notice after deleting a cost account, the tile will now show as cleared. You may reuse these clear tiles in the future when setting up additional cost accounts. Once all above steps are completed, you may go to your postage meter and press Menu from the home screen, then locate and press the option for Synchronize and perform a sync all. Once finished, the deleted cost account should no longer display on the postage meter.